Cha-ching, that's all you hear is cha-ching. Because now he's like, oh, I have to get a modified ski now.
Yeah, you did this. He's gonna do it. No, I got him into jet skis and he went out and bought one. He got tired of riding the Polaris and he went out and bought one. You're letting him ride your mod ski. He's gonna go out. I'm waiting for it. Dave, what are we gonna do to get mine like Alvean is?
Very. Shut up and take my money.
He actually likes to ski. He'll spend money on it.
Oh!
Moments later.
So now he's fallen off. He has a 3-up. Let's see how easy it is for this guy to get back on.
He's ridden Ryan's 2-up and can get on it. It's just a bitch. I can get on it too.
Now you don't want to step on that back bucket. See, look, oh, drowning. Oh, he said the shoes.
Hold on to the
he said the shoes are like slippery. There you go. There you go. There you go. Let's see. Let's see. Is he getting in there? Is he getting there? He's getting on one side. It's not gonna go.
No.
He's gonna tilt.
No, he's got it. Come on, Christian.
No, he ain't got it.
More moments later.
All the pain.
We got Jay here. I just taught her. The battery was dead when I was teaching her how to wheelie. It's not my fault, people. So, all right, get the water out. Put the BPS up. Go that way first and then come over here.
Wheelie that way?
No, go that way and then wheelie this way. Alright, she's gonna show you guys what she learned. Hold on, okay? It's Aaliyah's turn now. I'm trying to go on and teach these girls how to wheelie. Okay, she's gonna show you, right? So show her the steps.